Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the Shark Air Purifier review, an absolute game changer for cleaner and healthier air. So let's jump right in. Click the link below the video to get this now. First, let's talk about the key features of this air purifier. 3-in-1 mode. Our first feature is 3-in-1 modes. You can choose between purified air, purified heat, or purified fan for pure comfort in every moment. Watch your clean air percentage climb on the intelligent display, comforting purified heat with oscillation. The thermal comfort control intelligently adjusts to your selected temperature, warms rooms, and maintains your ideal temperature. This purifier also uses as an air purifier or as a purifying fan with powerful, oscillating airflow. Exceeds HEPA standards. Anti-allergen nanocell captures more micropollutants than HEPA standards require, trapping 99.98% of large, small, and micro-sized particles including dust, pollen, and peat dander, providing you with cleaner, healthier air. User-friendly controls. The intuitive touch panel makes it a breeze to adjust settings, set timers, or switch between modes. It's so simple. Even your grandma can use it. Automatically adjusts. This purifier has CleanSense IQ, which tracks air quality and constantly adjusts power to maintain clean air in your home. Smart sensors. This purifier knows when to kick into high gear. When it detects a decrease in air quality, it automatically adjusts its settings to ensure your air stays pure and healthy. Now, let's talk about the pros. Efficient air purification. One of the biggest pros is its efficiency. It tackles allergens, odors, and pollutants with ease, leaving your air clean and fresh. Large room coverage. Need to purify the air in a large room? No problem. This purifier cleans up to 1,000 square feet based on one air change per hour. Perfect for large rooms such as living rooms, dining rooms, basements, and workout spaces. Quiet operation. The whisper quiet operation ensures that you can enjoy cleaner air without sacrificing your peace and quiet. Of course, no product is perfect. Let's discuss the cons. Filter replacement. The HEPA and activated carbon filters need periodic replacement, which can add up over time. But again, it's a small price to pay for clean, healthy air. Bulky size. While it's effective, its size might be a concern for smaller spaces or those looking for a more compact design. So there you have it, folks, our in-depth review of the Shark Air Purifier. If you're ready to breathe cleaner, fresher air in your home, click the link in the description below to get your very own Shark Air Purifier on Amazon. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.